In response to Trump's immigration order, protests have been held at many major airports across the country. People of all ages, ethnicities, and religions flocked to the San Francisco International Airport to show their anger and exercise their freedom of speech, with the goal of sending a message to the government.
Anyone who is a national, who is born in Iran, Iraq, Libya, Sudan, Syria, and I'm missing one country, has their visas have been declared invalid and they're not allowed to return to the country. This includes anyone who is not a U.S. citizen. So people who are permanent residents who have their green cards, who have been here for the past 20 years, if they were out of the country before this order was issued, they are not being allowed back in, and they're being separated from their families. So there are court orders nationwide saying that this action is illegal and that the government cannot do this right now. So we're here trying to get in to meet with these families and get the detainees out.
My wife has a green card. She just got it a couple years ago. We were only able to do that because the Defense of Marriage Act fell, because we're a queer family. And so we've been to this terminal a few times coming in on the other side, and if we were banned, I hope that other people would show up for us.
Hopefully the governments and the universities and the organizations to which we belong are going to start taking actions as well, but we need to speak up for that. It looks like protests are working, given especially the legal actions yesterday when I think it was the protest that inspired the lawyers to actually draft the laws to start working on proving that this particular ban is illegal.
I think it's helping a lot, and it's really heartening. I thought I was going to be the only person here screaming, but no.
On Saturday, Judge Ann Donnelly of the Federal District Court in Brooklyn issued a nationwide injunction that barred the removal of the people being detained. However, many are still being held at airports across the country. Reporting for Scott Center News, I'm Sophie Penn.